The best way to keep communications open with the other parents is to try to think of it as a business transaction. You are now in a partnership business with your ex-spouse, ex-partner, and the business is raising your children. And if you can remove the anger that you have to the other parent, the hurt that you're feeling, and really concentrate on if the other parent is requesting more time, why are you saying no if the answer is no? And if there's not a good reason, then maybe the answer should be yes. But really analyzing what's behind what your answer or response is to the other parent before you make it will really help clear some of the animosity that was there during the divorce and really help you both focus on the best interest of your child. In Texas, we have several co-parenting apps that we use. The one that's probably most used is Our Family Wizard. Co-parenting apps are helpful. It's just an app that you put on your phone and you actually communicate, usually text messages, through that app with the other parent. What I really like about Our Family Wizard is you can upload documents, you can ask for reimbursement for medical expenses, you can see when the other person has opened what you've uploaded or your message. And you actually can have a tone meter associated with it. So when you type a message, it'll tell you if there's a tone that might create conflict and help you restructure what you say to the other parent. And that reduces a lot of unintended conflict in an action where you're having to co-parent with an ex. Boundary setting is an important aspect of co-parenting. It can be really difficult if we don't have a clear communication, but I find that if you can set your boundaries with a good reason about why you have them, that's easier communication to have than just saying, well, that's the way I want it. That usually creates defensiveness in the other side. And so just really trying to watch the language you use with your co-parent, I think that goes a long way with communication. The best way to handle uncooperative exes is just document everything. Make sure that you're using one of the co-parenting apps that documents every conversation that you have. Make sure that phone calls are documented. In Texas, we're a one-party consent state for communication recording. So as long as one party to the communication knows it's being recorded, that's all that matters. Video exchanges, just make sure that you're creating documentation so that if you have to go back to court to modify your order, you've got a very clear evidence trail as to why you're asking for the modification. If you have any questions about how to co-parent, how to communicate with your ex in raising your children, just reach out to us at the Boswell Law Firm, where we provide peace in the chaos.